All right, can you just give me your name and why you're qualified to talk about this, please?
My name is Catherine. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Biology. I have 2 master's degrees, one in biobehavioral health, one in public health. I'm a PhD student who works with infectious diseases and medical microbiology. But before that, I specialized in developmental biology and genomics.
So in your medical experience and with your medical understanding, is being trans a mental illness?
Definitively no.
Thank you. Can you give us any scientific evidence that you might have?
There's actually a couple different types of scientific evidence we can look into here. One is what occurs naturally in nature. Another is in terms of genomics and genes, and both are very pervasive. In terms of nature, lizards, birds, fish, beetles, even some cat species like lions exhibit transgender behaviors naturally. And then in terms of genomics, 21 variants in 19 genes have been found in estrogen signaling pathways of the brain, which are critical to establishing whether the brain is masculine or feminine. These variants mean that in boys who the birth sex is male, this critical estrogen exposure, if it doesn't happen, that means their brain does not get masculinized, and they are actually, in essence, females. Their brains are females genetically. And in natal females, that means people who were born as females, if they don't have that estrogen exposure, it leads to masculization of their brain, which means that they themselves are men. So science is showing us that your brain, how it develops, will give you what gender your brain is, and that may not match the gender that your physical body is. In addition, 5 research institutions right now, including Vanderbilt, George Washington University, and Boston's Children's Hospital, are all looking into the genomes of a person's complete set of DNA for clues about why transgender people are born in this way. There is so much evidence that is in the woodworks ready to come out to explain how we interpret and experience gender.
Thank you very much for your input.
You're very welcome. And may I just say that if we're looking in terms of mental illness, somebody who denies scientific fact to make their own narrative sound better.
Yeah, you shouldn't just call on mental illness whenever it's convenient, but thank you for your input.